Ohm's law is defined as the flow of electric current through a conductor depends on the potential difference across its ends. At a particular temperature, the strength of current flowing through it is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. This is known as Ohm's law. IVI proportional to V or VIV equals potential difference, V equals V, R equals resistance, or R equals VI, I equals current. Here, R is the constant of proportionality, which depends on size, nature of material and temperature. R is called the electrical resistance or resistance of the conductor. Experimental verification of Ohm's law set up a circuit as shown in figure consisting of a nichrome wires I of length, say half a meter, an ammeter, a voltmeter and 4 cells of 1.5 V each. Nichrome is an alloy of nickel, chromium, manganese, and iron metal. First, use only one cell as the source in the circuit. Note the reading in the ammeter I for the current and reading of the voltmeter V for the potential difference across the nichrome wire XY in the circuit. Tabulate them. Next, connect two cells in the circuit and note the respective readings of the ammeter and voltmeter for the values of current through the nichrome wire and potential difference across the nichrome wire. Repeat the above steps using 3 cells and then 4 cells in the circuit separately. Calculate the ratio of V to I for each pair of potential difference, V, and current, I. Plot a graph between 5 and 1, and observe the nature of the graph. Thus, VI is a constant ratio which is called resistance, R. It is known as Ohm's law. Subscribe to the Learning